Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by and I hope you are enjoying the year so far. Wishing you all a beautiful 2023. In today's video we are cooking Indomie jollof using my all-purpose stew. Remember the all-purpose stew, check it out in my channel here. This is going to be a very quick and simple and delicious recipe. I've just added about half cooking spoon of the stew into my pot and added 2 cups of water. I'll allow it to boil and then we start with the Indomie. I'll be using this Indomie crayfish. Feel free to use any Indomie or noodles of your choice. After adding the Indomie in the pot, I'll cover and allow it to cook for a minute. Then I will stir and add some of the ingredients we're using. I'll be using some hot dog and the vegetables. First, I'll start with the hot dog and then use one of the spices from the noodles. I will cover again and allow to cook for a minute. Next, I will also add fresh pepper and the carrots. Add pepper according to your tolerance. Cover again and allow the pepper and the carrot to cook for a minute. I'll then add my tomatoes and the mixed bell peppers. I'll cover the pot again and allow to cook for another 1 more minute before we add the last or final vegetables, which is our spring onions. Then I will stir together very well and our Indomie is ready. Indomie jollof is ready. And here we have our delicious jollof noodles or Indomie jollof. You can serve and enjoy this like this, but I served mine with some fried plantains and boiled eggs. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and also share it to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.